What's the meaning of acumen? Acumen. 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 Acumen refers to the ability to make good judgments and quick decisions in a particular field. It is a skill that allows a person to quickly and accurately assess a situation or problem and find an effective solution. Those with acumen are often considered savvy, perceptive, and insightful, and they are able to use their expertise and experience to make smart choices. Whether it's in business, finance, or any other field, having acumen can lead to success and help individuals stand out from the crowd. With good acumen, one can avoid potential pitfalls and capitalize on opportunities.